Guys, we will continue with our discussion about human anatomy using the manga illustration. So let us start. Now okay, we have here the canvas right now. Okay. Now the first thing to do is, of course, you need to review first what happened to our previous discussion. This is for the beginners, but of course you can use to create your own to follow this exercise rather. So we are using the circle to create exercises. Okay, do this within between 1 to 5 minutes. Okay, this is to warm up your wrist and hand. Okay, just do the slanting line, the sleeping line. Okay, this is the sleeping line, this is the standing line, sleeping line. Relax, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. This is not to perfect the strokes, but this is to practice your hands. No? This is how you do it before you start your drawing. Okay, just relax, do not push the tip of your pen. All you have to do is to make a lighter strikes. Okay, do not make it hard, make it soft. So this will serve as your strokes, how to create your drawing. Okay, let us assume that we have already done this thing. Let us start with our thing here, right here. Now, first, if you have the paper with you, you can use any ball pens or pencils or whatever materials to practice the basic anatomy drawing. Now let us start. Okay, first use a light pencil. Okay, now you can use the circle as your tool to create your anatomy. Circle, or maybe you can use the ruler. Okay, this is the standing line. Okay, and then use again, of course, the circle, 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 circle. You see, the purpose of this is to draw the upper part, the middle part, lower, and the lower extremities of the body. Okay, now we have here, okay, the circle. And of course, you can use also the squares. Like for example, okay, we have here the head. Okay, we have here the body. Okay, this is the middle part. And then we have here, okay, the feet for the lower part, the legs. All right, let us adjust this drawing. Um, the advantage of using the digital tool is, well, of course, you can modify it. You can even undo your mistakes. Okay, so we have here, okay, that's it. Use the circle for the arms. This circle will serve as your cylinders. Okay, arms. Okay, now there you have it. Now let's say we need to convert this into a real drawing. What will you do? It's pretty simple. Okay, let us, protect this thing and create another layer at the top. And then let us start to draw this anatomy. Okay, so we have the anatomy. Let us add some depth to our drawing right here. Okay, so now we need now to zoom this thing. Okay, so okay, adjust it a little bit. Well, of course, match it to your particular orientation. Okay, this is now the head. Okay, this is the body. Okay, this is a male version of our drawing. Okay, then we need to convert this first to a lighter drawing. Okay, please wait. Okay, so that we can see the proper drawing of our illustration, proper illustration, Roger. Okay, let us check this first. Lock this again. Start from the top. Then we need to check this. Okay, let me finish this first. Okay, so we have here the basic what you call this anatomy of a pale drawing. Okay, so we have here the muscles. Okay, the upper parts, the lower parts. Of course, we can see also here the abs and the chest. Okay, and we have here the legs. Now this is very important. Why? This is part of the upper. We have here the middle, and we have here the lower part. So that's the importance of this drawing. Now, let's say we again proceed to the next stage of our discussion. Okay, let's say we need to improve, we need to use this anatomy as part of the action. Okay, how to do that? All right, let's start the other side. Now, let's say we use the anatomy, okay, to project the muscle of our manga drawing. How to do that? For example, we have here, okay, for the muscle. Let us use first R for the arms. So we have here for the arms. Okay, this is the upper arms. Okay, okay. This is a side view of the arms. Okay. Now let us, we will enhance this drawing so that you can picture it out. Okay. So this is very important, especially if you are using, if you are doing the action-based comics drawing. So this is the muscle. Okay. This is how you exaggerate it. Rooting the blocks. Okay, that's the purpose of our exercises. Okay, these are the blocks. And these are what you call this, the part of our speed line. Okay, it makes more dynamic. So for example, we have here, okay, oops, let us fix this thing. Okay, so, okay. Now, we will emphasize the muscles, the blocks. Remember to follow the balance and proportions of your drawing. Okay, now this is how you do the detailed drawing. Okay, so you can apply the detailed drawing right here, emphasizing the muscles. This is now the product of doing the exercises. Okay, okay, that's it. So we have it here, and let us finish this drawing. Okay, we have here the muscles. Okay, this is the quarter view of the drawing, converting the side view into a quarter view. Okay, so how to do that? You start first with the stroke like this thing, like this, and then this is how you do it, the muscles. You study the muscle. It's part of human anatomy. Though we are doing the basics, but again, in the future, you can use this in your project. Okay, you can use the dots. You can use the standing line here. You can use the sleeping line. Okay, and then the what you call this, the strokes, the cross hats. This is the cross hats. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, that's the important of the anatomy. Okay, so we have there the muscles. Okay, like for example, we do another drawing to project the muscle of the manga character. Okay, this is about exaggeration. So if you exaggerate your drawing, like for example, we have here the manga expression. Okay, an action-based type of drawing. Okay, so let us draw that. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we have here the manga action. Okay, let's say here. Okay, we have here the expression. If you haven't watched my previous tutorial, please watch it for the manga expression. Okay, so let's check it. Applying the anatomy. Okay, for example, we have here a manga expression. Okay, now, so you need to apply full force, full action, extreme drawings. You see, if you know how to handle and to identify the different angles of your anatomy, it's easy for you to create what you call this an action figures of drawing. Okay, just like in your anime. Okay, you only need to put some exaggeration. Okay, so if you are using your pens or ball or pencil, you can follow this drawing. Okay, let us darken our drawing. Okay, with the expression at the top. Okay, incorporating the muscles, it will create a new behavior for the drawing. Okay, that behavior emphasize how to exaggerate the expressions of your manga character. For example, we have here the expression. Okay, so let's check. So this is the expression. Okay, now we have here the expression for that. Let's say here. Okay, so we have the expression that really uh, telling the whole world that this character is extremely mad, right? So we need only to project here the anatomy plus, okay, or manga face expression. So let us modify this thing. We can even what you call this put some blocks here. Okay, that's it. Now our function here is to project the what the manga anatomy, the body. Okay, so we have here shirts. Now you see, if you want to project the manga character, you should be careful about the anatomy, the body. Like for example, we have here, we need to emphasize, okay, the shoulders, okay, where to put the muscles and how to stretch out the muscles, okay, like this one, and after that, okay, uh, you try also to check uh, different pictures, okay, how to, why is it that we need to, why is it that this area is big and it is flex, something like that, in this area, okay. Okay, you try to check your muscles in the mirror, no? And then check the direction of where the muscles grow when you do the flexing. Okay, okay, I'll finish this thing. Okay, let us put here, this is the elbow, this is where the muscles stretched. Okay, and then this is the armpit. Okay, now we draw the hands right here. So this is the hands where we create. Okay, something like that. So if you have here the hands, so this is where you create the hands, and then okay, let us cut this off. Okay, that's it. So we just completed our drawing right here. Okay, let us fix this thing. And this is for that. Provide the speed line or the hatches. This is the hatches. Okay. Okay, so this is now the finished product. This is where we create the drawing and we produce the okay. Now this is the final product. Okay, so this is how you create your anatomy. Applying the anatomy in real drawing. Okay. So we have the anatomy applying the drawing. Okay. Let us Okay, let us complete his arms. Okay. Okay, so this is the arms. You can use the principles of exaggeration. What is exaggeration? Something like, you are applying uh, an extreme type of uh, pictures of your character. Okay. Okay. So this is now the finished product. Okay. Now, you need only to practice the following. Okay. The balance. All right. This is how you prove the balance. Okay. So the upper parts. This is for the upper parts. Okay. Let us first inject the frame right here so that we can. um, okay. Let us erase this thing. Okay. Oops. Remove the frames and then insert the keyframe. Frames as the keyframe. So we have here. Start with the balance at the top. This is the upper part. Okay. Okay, let us increase the color. This is the middle part and this is the center. Okay. Here, well, of course, we have the direction of our action. So we have here the eyes, nose, the mouth, and of course, we have here the subdivision of the head. And of course, we have here the upper part and the anatomy. Okay. So review my previous instruction, and please don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much.